It's actually our first time using the public transit in Houston, but it was way cheaper than the parking prices we saw.
It was quick and easy.
So it's pretty easy to go around and no traffic, no issues, straightforward.
It was so easy. I want to say we were in the stadium like in under 30 minutes, but it was really nice when we were leaving, and it took us maybe 5 minutes to get out of the parking lot. But we love it. That's where we're going to park anytime we go to the beach. It's more convenient and easier, like that's a no-brainer.
It was actually really convenient. It's actually quite easy. It's not confusing. I recommend it.